Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something a little different, something a lot of you have been asking for. We're talking about how to land a job at Google. Yeah, that Google. Whether you're knee-deep in code, just starting your tech journey, or just ready for a career shift to one of the most innovative companies on the planet, this video is for you. We're breaking down the Google hiring process, the skills you need to stand out, and some insider tips I've picked up along the way. This is your backstage pass into the world of Google, so grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. Oh, and before I forget, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps the channel grow. First things first, let's unpack this beast. Google's hiring process is known for being thorough, and you know what? It should be. They're looking for the best minds out there. But don't let that intimidate you. Think of it like unboxing a brand new tech gadget. It's exciting. It all starts with the online application. You'll find tons of open roles on their careers page, and trust me, there's something for everyone, from software engineering to marketing, design, and everything in between. Find your niche and make sure your resume and cover letter are tailored to the specific role. Next up, the recruiter screening. Think of this as the first round interview, where a recruiter gets to know you, your experience, and sees if you're a good fit for the team. Be prepared to talk about your skills and why you're passionate about Google. Remember, enthusiasm goes a long way. Now, the main event, the interviews. Google is known for its technical interviews, especially for engineering and product roles. You might be asked to solve coding challenges, discuss algorithms, or design systems. But it's not just about technical chops. They also want to see your thought process and problem-solving skills. Beyond the technical stuff, there are behavioral interviews too. This is where you showcase your soft skills, teamwork, leadership, communication. Google's all about collaboration, so be ready to share experiences where you've worked effectively in teams. After the interviews, your application goes to the hiring committee. This group reviews everything, your resume, your interview performance, and any feedback from the team. They're looking for a consistent story, someone who not only has the skills but also fits Google's culture. Finally, the moment of truth, the offer. If you've impressed everyone along the way, you'll get that life-changing call, or should I say email with the offer details. Trust me, that feeling is unmatched. It's like seeing that product ship notification after months of hard work. But here's the thing. Even if you don't get an offer the first time, don't sweat it. Rejection is just redirection. Take the feedback, learn from it, and come back even stronger. Remember, many Googlers, myself included, didn't get in on the first try. The key takeaway here is to be prepared. Do your research, know the process inside and out, and you'll be one step closer to that Google badge. All right, so we've talked about the process, but how do you actually stand out in a sea of applicants? Well, it's not just about having a fancy resume, it's about showcasing the right skills. Let's start with the technical stuff. Google loves its algorithms, data structures, and all things code. If you're aiming for an engineering role, brush up on your coding skills. Python, Java, C++. These are your weapons of choice. But it's not just about knowing the syntax. It's about applying that knowledge to real-world problems. Build projects, contribute to open source, create something that solves a problem. This is what makes your resume stand out from the crowd. Think of your resume as your tech product launch. You're not just listing features, you're highlighting the benefits, the impact. Instead of just saying proficient in Python, showcase a project where you used Python to automate a task or build a web app. And speaking of impact, quantify your achievements whenever possible. Numbers speak louder than words. Did you improve system efficiency by 20%? Did your code reduce loading times by 50%? These are the metrics that grab attention. But here's the thing, it's not all about technical prowess. Google also looks for something they call Googliness. It's that intangible mix of curiosity, passion, and a collaborative spirit. Show them you're a team player. Highlight experiences where you've worked effectively in groups, where you've led projects or mentored others. Google thrives on collaboration, so demonstrate that you can contribute to that environment. Remember, your resume isn't just a document, it's your story. Make it compelling, make it relevant, and most importantly, make it authentically you. All right, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: networking. I know it sounds daunting, but trust me, it can make all the difference. Think of it like finding those hidden Easter eggs in your favorite software. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is referrals. A referral from a current Googler can significantly boost your chances of getting noticed. It's like having a trusted friend vouch for you. So how do you get those golden referrals? Well, start by building connections. LinkedIn is your best friend here. Connect with Googlers in your field, engage with their posts, and don't be afraid to reach out. But here's the key. Don't just reach out asking for a job. Instead, focus on building genuine relationships. Ask for advice. Pick their brains about their experiences at Google. Show genuine interest in their work. Attend Google-hosted events, webinars, or career fairs. These are great opportunities to meet Googlers in person, learn about different teams, and make those valuable connections. Another pro tip: seek out mentorship. Reach out to Googlers you admire and ask if they'd be open to mentoring you. Mentorship is invaluable, not just for potential referrals, but also for personal and professional growth. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Be willing to give back, share your knowledge, and help others in their journey. You never know when that connection might come full circle. All right, we've made it to the big leagues, the Google interview. This is where the magic happens, but it's also where nerves can get the best of you. So let's break it down and equip you with the tools to conquer this beast. First and foremost, preparation is key. Remember those technical skills we talked about? Now's the time to put them to the test. Practice your coding, algorithms, and data structures like your life depends on it. Platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank, and even Google's own Tech Dev Guide are your training grounds. But here's the thing, technical skills are only half the battle. Google also wants to see how you think, how you approach problems, and how you communicate your solutions. This is where behavioral interview questions come in. A classic technique for tackling these questions is the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. It's like a framework for structuring your answers in a clear and concise way. Describe the situation, outline the task at hand, explain the actions you took, and highlight the results you achieved. For example, if you're asked about a time you faced a challenging project, don't just say it was tough. Use the STAR method to paint a picture. Describe the project, the challenges you encountered, the specific actions you took to overcome them, and the positive outcome you achieved. Another crucial tip: practice mock interviews. Grab a friend, a mentor, or even that reflection in the mirror and practice answering common interview questions. This helps you refine your answers, build confidence, and get comfortable talking about your experiences. Remember, the interview is not an interrogation, it's a conversation. Be yourself, be enthusiastic, and show them why you're the perfect fit for Google. We've covered a lot, from understanding the hiring process to building the right skills and acing the interview. But here's the most crucial ingredient: perseverance. The road to Google, or any dream job for that matter, is rarely linear. There will be bumps, detours, and maybe even a few wrong turns. But here's the thing, the journey is just as important as the destination. Embrace the learning process, the challenges, and even the rejections. Each experience, whether positive or negative, is an opportunity for growth. If you don't get in on the first try, don't be discouraged. Take the feedback, analyze your performance, and identify areas for improvement. Were there technical concepts you struggled with? Were there behavioral questions that threw you off? Use that feedback as fuel to level up your skills. Dive deeper into those technical areas, practice your interviewing skills, and keep refining your resume. Remember, Google is looking for individuals who are passionate about learning and growth, so show them that you're committed to continuous improvement. Keep building your portfolio, contributing to open source projects, or even starting your own ventures. The tech world is constantly evolving, and the more you learn, the more valuable you become. Most importantly, don't give up on your dream. Google receives millions of applications every year, so the competition is fierce. But with persistence, dedication, and a growth mindset, you'll increase your chances of landing that coveted role. Remember, the journey to Google is a marathon, not a sprint. Pace yourself, stay focused, and never stop learning. And who knows, one day you might just find yourself walking through those iconic Googleplex doors. So there you have it, your roadmap to landing a job at Google. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey, one that requires preparation, perseverance, and a genuine passion for tech. Remember, working at Google is more than just a job. It's an opportunity to be a part of something bigger, to contribute to groundbreaking innovations, and to work alongside some of the brightest minds in the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also chasing their Google dreams, and hit that subscribe button for more tech-inspired content. And be sure to let me know in the comments what other topics you'd like me to cover. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and never stop chasing your dreams. See you in the next one. Host. Working at Google is a dream for many, but with the right preparation and mindset, it's totally achievable. So start today and take that first step toward your goal. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments what topics you'd like me to cover next. Until then, keep hustling and stay awesome. See you next time. Next.